My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, we're going to make a mango lassi. So the first thing we're going to do is start with a little bit of ice in our blender. Next, we're going to take a little bit of Greek yogurt. You can also use Middle Eastern yogurt if you like. Regular yogurt will work as well. We have some frozen mango. You can also use a mango puree or fresh mango if you like. And we have a little bit of milk over here just to get things moving. You could add water, juice, whatever you like. And now, sometimes the mango is not so sweet, so we've got to sweeten it up. And today we're going to use a little bit of honey. But you could use sugar, you could use a sugar substitute. You could also use agave nectar if you like. So we're going to throw a little bit of honey in here. And now we're going to blend this up until it's smooth. Start low and then increase the speed. Now, a mango lassi is a traditional Indian smoothie, and it's meant to cool down your mouth while you eat the spicy Indian food. So really, really tasty stuff. We're gonna pour this right in there, all the way to the top. That looks wonderful. And a classic garnish for this is a little pinch of warm cardamom. So we're gonna put that right on top. This is how you make an Indian mango lassi. My name is Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Cheers.